What happens when you stick a £6,000 SLR camera onto a CINEWHOOP? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you enjoy drones, FPV and anything like that, then hit the subscribe button below. But anyway, a really interesting video popped up in our newsfeed just a few weeks ago, and it's from a company called Mini Drone Studio. They basically produce CINEWHOOPs, which are custom built via 3D printing, manufactured and designed all in-house by themselves. They also deconstruct cameras such as the GoPro so that they can use what's called a naked camera, which effectively removes all of the exterior aesthetics to save weight. They produce drones capable of capturing incredible footage which weigh only 79 grams. However, the drone that we're going to talk about now definitely doesn't weigh 79 grams, not when you attach a £6,000 camera to it. Recently, they've been attaching top-of-the-range SLR cameras to their CINEWHOOP drones, including cameras such as the BlackMagic Cinema Pocket 6K, which is about £2,500, but also the red Komodo, which at £6,000 is quite risky to attach to a little CINEWHOOP. But they've done it. Not only have they captured some great footage from the camera itself, but they've even followed the CINEWHOOP, which is carrying this heavy camera, to show the external view. Whilst it looks quite awkward in the air and very heavy, it's of course not going to be particularly agile because this camera weighs a lot, and so the drone is probably almost at its limits in terms of the payload that it can carry. But it's doing a very good job. Now, it would have been very hard to fly as well, given that the weight of the camera is so significant. Throttle control would have to be very precise. In addition, the height and the rugged terrain in which they're flying, you would not want to be dropping that $6,000 worth of camera. The follow footage is stunning alone, but now we'll show you the footage from the actual SLR camera. This is incredible. So if you weren't into FPV and CINEWHOOP drones before, I think after watching that you might be a little bit inspired. So go and check out the Mini Drone Studio website and also their Facebook pages. And also, if you're interested in getting into FPV CINEWHOOPs, there are some links in the video description to some starter sets which are all ready and waiting for you to just simply pick up, plug in and fly. Thanks again as well to Mini Drone Studio for letting us use their video. Comment below with your thoughts on this, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't know what FPV stands for. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.